And we have also learned that some critical gear meant to protect Kansas City, Missouri firefighters that was sent to them, turns out it's no good. The department recently received a shipment of 3,000 badly needed masks from the state. But the president of their union says that many of the masks, like this one, are coming apart. It's not clear if they're old or were stored wrong, and replacements are hard to come by. Just one more cause of concern for our local first responders and their families. KCTV5's Leslie Aguilar spoke with one of their families. And Leslie, right now, these firefighters can't even go home to their families, right?
That's correct. Right now, the fire department is recommending that firefighters and EMS personnel socially distance from even their families. That can be hard, especially for those with young children.
And it makes us walk.
Kim Prentice snapped this photo earlier this week and posted it to Facebook with the caption, "Telling Daddy goodnight."
A lot of people were just like, oh, this is just a sign of the, of the times that we're living in.
Her husband is a KCFD firefighter. For now, he's living in the basement of their home.
And it's really hard for the kids. I mean, the older ones understand that Daddy's taking care of a lot of sick patients right now, but Benny just turned 2 and he doesn't understand. So when he sees his dad, he wants to run up and give him a hug and a kiss, and he can't.
Kim stays at home with their 4 children. 5-year-old Bodie is very proud of his dad.
He does a great job, and I talk to him on the phone a lot of times. It's pretty good for my day.
So is Kim.
He's willing to sacrifice not giving his kids hugs and kisses for a month in order to keep them safe and healthy.
No one at Adams Station has tested positive, but he knows some of the 8 who have, including one who remains hospitalized on a ventilator.
Even though he's taking all of the precautions at work, keeping himself safe and his patients safe, it's always that what if.
That what if has a lot of first responders not going home at all. Union President Tim Dupin says some are staying in hotels at a reduced rate.
Some of them are roommating together so they don't expose their families. Others, we've even had reports of firefighters sleeping in their cars.
That will continue for at least a few more weeks. Until then, first responders will separate themselves from their families.
But we can blow kisses and do extra stuff.
Yeah, we can still blow kisses.
Yeah.
Now, the good news is the number of firefighters testing positive in Kansas City has not gone up, and 20 or so of the 95 who were self-quarantined last week are now back on the job. Reporting live in Kansas City, Leslie Aguilar, KCTV 5 News.
That is some good news. All right, Leslie, thank you.